Leonardo.AI prompt tutorial. Hi there, today we'll learn about how to create images using an existing image that you have and creating a new image that is generated by artificial intelligence like these examples here using Leonardo.AI software. So for us to begin, you just go to your browser and go to leonardoai.com and make sure that you have created an account already. Once done, you can go ahead and launch the application and you will be able to create images for you to use when creating an image here for this platform. So what you can do is you can search for an inspiration on what image you'd like to use as the base, or you can copy the prompt of that specific image. And then what you can do is that on this left side panel of the screen, you will be able to see the tools that you can use. You just need to click on the image prompt option. You can upload a file, or you can use an image that you can look for the internet that you want to use for this option. So I added an image here of Mona Lisa with a modification, or with the prompt I provided, it would have a similar features or similar result of the Mona Lisa image that I have as the basis. So I just keep on generating the image and then modifying the prompt so that I will get into the image that I like. So for example, this one, it only shows one eye, which is not good to look at. It's like a mutation. So I'll be deleting a few details, and here this image is similar to the Mona Lisa's art style, same as this one as well. Then last generation, and there you have it. But just to inform you, each generated image is equal to 1 token, and you're only given 150 token per day. And that's how you use Leonardo AI prompt tutorial for this video. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.